Joseph Kamodo from Midascent Limited, and Midascent Limited is a company that deals with exhaust system, automobile exhaust system. We manufacture or fabricate all types of silencers, pipes, and we also supply and fit new imported catalytic converters. And that's why I want to touch, because I know that catalytic converter in the world today has become a big problem. And therefore, we have decided to make sure we solve the problems of Kenyans and the whole world when it comes to their vehicle. Therefore, what is a catalytic converter? A catalytic converter is a unit that fits into the front of exhaust system of a vehicle and probably close to the engine. And some of them are at the center of the vehicle. What does the catalytic do to the vehicle? It reduces the emission of hazardous gases or gaseous pollutants such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons. And it reduces these gases to non-hazardous gases, and therefore they are very important. How do you realize that your vehicle has a damaged catalytic converter or has been stolen or it is not working? One, your vehicle will show you a check engine light, and when you diagnose with the machine, it will show you a code P0420 or P0430. The next thing, you'll hear the vehicle will have decreased mileage. That means when you fuel your vehicle, the consumption is too high, and you wonder what is happening. It has a decreased performance. The performance of the vehicle is not there. Then it has a sluggish acceleration. When you want to accelerate your vehicle, maybe you are overtaking. It is not peaking, and therefore when you see these signs, and the other one is lattering noises. You know, the noises from the engine, you hear lattering noises, or fumes comes, fuel fumes comes from your vehicle, and you'll be able to understand, or pungent smell from your exhaust, or noisy engine, overheating on the front. All these are signs that will show you that your vehicle has no catalytic converter. And therefore, when you have these problems, you need to contact Midascent exhaust system, and you can be able to see our numbers through the screen, and you can contact us or visit us in our workshop, because we have very good fitting facilities. You can visit us, we can fit it for you, we can diagnose it for you, and from there your problems will be solved. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Welcome.